December 17th, 2020. I got some major bubble guts going on, but I'm here to clean the beach. Sunrise, baby. No lie, my butt right now legitimately feels like I'm gonna shit my pants. Keeps doing that like, I'm gonna come out and I go, oh, hey. You know what time it is? Do you know what time it is? It's time for hypodermic needle of the day, Hypodermic needle of the day, Hey, hey, hypodermic needle of the day, Hey, 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 hypodermic needle of the day, Hey, hey. Trying to record audio and just some nice sunsets, trying to get that natural sound. And of course these two, we got the whole beach and they stop right here, in here to have a conversation. Can't you guys stop somewhere else, god damn it? The thing that I've also not been doing is I actually haven't had a beer this whole month. 17 straight days with no beer. Also forgot to mention our COVID numbers. Yesterday was over 3,400 deaths, so COVID is still going f***ing crazy.